Hi, welcome to my tour. Enjoy this sunny 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhome in a quiet established park-like setting. This low-maintenance home has had one owner, non-smoker, and no pets. Entry to the home features newer tile. The updated kitchen includes fridge, garbage disposal, dishwasher and microwave. Experience the spacious open-concept living, dining room with large glass door leading to the deck and garden area. This is one of the few units that has a wood-burning fireplace including a beautiful hearth. Main bedroom is extra large, 17x13, and both bedrooms have generous closet space. Additional oversized walk-in closet. The first floor has a large single-car garage with Genie door opener, storage shelving and work area. This floor has a large partially finished room that could become your third bedroom. Newer electric water heater in fully equipped laundry room. Existing security system.